There's a guy out there selling software to insurance agents, and at a bare minimum, he's making $97,000 a month. Here's the crazy part. He didn't build the software. He's reselling the exact same platform I use to run my agency every single day. And he's not alone. I found a public list with hundreds of businesses doing the same thing. Some of them are making over $1 million a year. So in this video, I'm going to show you that list, break down 5 AI businesses on it that are printing money, and give you the exact playbook to copy them. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated $361,287 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $361,000 in revenue with roughly 350 active clients. And here's the thing. I didn't get there by inventing something new. I got there by copying what already works. I studied agencies that were ahead of me, took what they did well, and applied it to my own business. In fact, my agency won an award on this exact list last year. So everything I'm about to show you, I've lived it. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, the list that exposes private company revenue. All right, let me show you the list. Every year, High Level puts out their Level Up Awards, and one of those awards is called the SaaSpreneur Award. It goes to people who white label High Level, meaning they take the platform, slap their own brand on it, add their own AI tools and templates, and sell it as their own software. Now here's why this list is a goldmine. Private companies never share their numbers. You have no idea what they actually make. But this list changes that because the awards are based on verified customer counts. There are 3 tiers. Gold tier means you have over 100 paying customers. Platinum means over 500. And Diamond means over 1,000 paying customers. High Level verifies these numbers themselves. So this isn't some guru claiming they make millions with no proof. This is real data sitting on a public webpage that almost nobody's paying attention to. And real quick, this is the award my agency won last year. We hit gold tier with over 100 sub accounts. So when I tell you this model works, it's because I'm running it right now. Now let's do some quick math on the Diamond winners. These businesses have at least 1,000 customers. Most of them charge somewhere between $97 and $500 a month. So even at the lowest price point, a Diamond winner is making $97,000 a month minimum. That's over $1 million a year, and the wild part is they're all building on the same software. They just pointed at different niches. And as I scrolled through the winners, I noticed something. The newest names on this list are all AI businesses, AI CRMs, AI voice tools, AI automation platforms. It's everywhere. The people winning these awards right now aren't just reselling software anymore. They're packaging AI and selling it to niches that have no idea how to use it. That's the wave we're catching today. By the way, High Level is the same platform I use to run my entire agency and all 350 of our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course for free. All right, so I went through this list and picked out 5 businesses that are leaning hard into AI. Let me break down what each one's doing, what they charge, and the lesson you can steal from them. Chapter 2, the 5 AI businesses worth copying. Number 1, Agent CRM. This is the insurance guy from the beginning of the video. It's run by a guy named Alex Branning, and it's an AI-powered CRM built just for insurance agents. They charge $97 a month, and they're a Diamond tier winner. So that's 1,000 plus customers paying $97 a month. At minimum, that's $97,000 a month. And the AI angle is smart. They have something called Agent AI that comes pre-trained for insurance. It qualifies leads, answers common questions, and follows up automatically. An insurance agent signs up and the AI already knows their business. Here's the lesson. Pick one boring niche and preload everything. Insurance agents don't want to set up software. They want to sell policies. So Agent CRM did all the setup for them. The pipelines, the automations, the AI, it's all ready on day 1. That's the product. Number 2, Course Creator 360. This one's built for course creators and coaches. They charge between $97 and $297 a month, and they're also Diamond tier. They replace something like 13 different tools. Course hosting, funnels, email, communities, social posting, all of it in one place. And they've layered AI on top of everything so creators can generate their content and marketing inside the platform. They also say their users have sold over $30 million worth of online courses, which is some serious social proof. The lesson here is to ride a wave. The creator economy is exploding and every new course creator needs software. Course Creator 360 just stood in front of a crowd that was already growing and said, here's everything you need in one place. Number 3, Aesthetics CRM. This one's for med spas and plastic surgery practices. And pay attention to the pricing because it's different. Their plans start at $299 a month. That's 3 times more than the others. They're a gold tier winner like me, so they have at least 100 customers. Even at 100 customers, that's $30,000 a month minimum. They built the whole thing to be HIPAA compliant, which medical businesses have to have. And they even sell a fully integrated AI employee with chat and voice agents as an add-on for another $299 a month. So the AI itself is a second product. The lesson is that premium niches pay premium prices. A med spa makes hundreds of dollars per appointment, so $300 a month is nothing to them. You don't need 1,000 customers when each one pays 3 times more. Solving one expensive problem like HIPAA compliance lets you charge way more than generic software. Number 4, Nova Echo AI. This one is pure AI. They sell AI voice employees. So instead of selling a CRM, they sell an AI that answers the phone, books appointments, and makes outbound calls for businesses. They're a gold tier winner and they're growing fast because every business owner understands the pitch instantly. Your phone gets answered 24/7 and you never miss a lead. The lesson here is to sell the employee, not the software. Nobody wakes up wanting another dashboard, but every business owner wants a receptionist that works around the clock and never asks for a raise. Same technology, completely different pitch. And number 5, Funnel Freedom. This one flips the whole model. It's built by Jonathan Montoya, and his customers are affiliate marketers. He charges $97 a month, diamond tier, so at least $97,000 a month. And the product is basically done for you funnels. Pre-built funnels, a year of email sequences, ready to go campaigns. His customers just plug in their links and start promoting. The lesson is that marketers are customers too. You don't have to sell to dentists or gym owners. There are millions of people trying to make money online and they all need tools. Selling shovels in a gold rush never goes out of style. So that's 5 businesses, 5 different niches, all running the same playbook on the same platform. Insurance, courses, med spas, AI voice, affiliates. And none of them wrote a single line of code. Chapter 3, I made AI reverse engineer all 5 businesses. All right, this is where it gets fun. I wanted to know exactly why these 5 businesses are winning. The old way to do this is hours of manual research, digging through their websites, reading all their reviews, checking their ads one by one. I did it with 2 prompts instead. I opened up Ask AI inside High Level and gave it this prompt. Here's a list of 5 businesses that have at least 100 users on their High Level white label platform. Please do an online audit and help me reverse engineer their success. Then I just listed the 5 businesses and it went to work. You can literally watch it think through the problem in real time on the side of the screen. A few moments later, it came back with a full success audit of all 5 businesses. For every single one, it broke down their pricing strategy, their killer value prop, their differentiators, and their support moat. And it found stuff I didn't even catch on their websites. It found that Agent CRM gives away a 14-day free trial with no sign-up fee and backs it up with daily Zoom calls and 24/7 support. So their support basically becomes the product. It found that Aesthetics doesn't just charge $299 a month for the platform. They sell their AI employee as a separate add-on for another $299 a month. And it found Nova Echo runs a done with you plan at $333 a month plus per minute calling rates. So their revenue grows every time their customers' phones ring. But the best part came at the end. It pulled everything together into what it called the 7 universal patterns behind their success. An ultra narrow niche. Pre-built assets that are ready on day 1, messaging that tells you to cancel 5 to 13 other tools, obsessive support, free trials and money-back guarantees, founder authority and proof, and usage-based upsells that grow revenue beyond the base plan. That's an entire business education in one response, but knowing why they win is only half of it. I also wanted to know how they actually get customers. So I followed up with prompt number 2. I said, can you review their website traffic and determine how they're generating customers? Don't stop until you're at least 90% confident. And this is where it got crazy. It didn't just answer, it ran a full research audit in waves. Round 1, round 2, round 3. It kept searching and digging until it hit that confidence bar I gave it. And then it came back with a complete customer acquisition report with a confidence score for every single business. For Agent CRM, it was 91% confident their engine is content marketing into a free trial into a word of mouth flywheel. For Course Creator 360, the #1 channel is the founder's own YouTube channel backed by an affiliate army earning 30% monthly commissions. For Aesthetics, it's an SEO content moat in the med spa niche, plus partnerships with the tools med spas already use. For Nova Echo, it's organic social video. The company even said they invested heavily into posting social media content and it went amazingly. And for Funnel Freedom, it was 95% confident. Jonathan Montoya's YouTube channel drives the entire business, along with short form video and a self-referral loop where his own customers promote the product to earn commissions. Then it handed me the 3 highest ROI moves to copy. Start a YouTube channel because every single winner has a founder-led channel. That was the #1 consistent pattern. Launch an affiliate program with 30% or more recurring commissions, and build comparison pages that rank when people search your platform versus a competitor. And just to check the AI's work, I looked up Jonathan Montoya's channel myself. The guy has almost 100,000 subscribers and he's posting videos with titles like, "I made $1.5 million reselling someone else's software." The AI was dead on. His content is the funnel. So in about 10 minutes with 2 prompts, I had a complete breakdown of how 5 successful businesses operate and how they get their customers. That's research that used to take weeks. And remember, the goal isn't to clone their brand or steal their stuff. The goal is to understand why they win and then run the same play for a different audience. Chapter 4, the playbook to copy this yourself. All right, so now you know the list, the businesses, and how to study them. Let me give you the playbook to actually do this. Step 1, pick a niche you already know something about. This is the biggest pattern across the whole awards list. The insurance software guy worked with insurance agents. The course platform founders were course creators. They didn't guess what the niche needed, they already knew. So look at your own background, the jobs you've had, the industries you've touched, the people you know. Maybe you used to work at a gym or a salon or a dental office. Even if you were just an employee there, you know what those owners struggle with every day. That's your unfair advantage. Step 2, get the platform. Every business I showed you today runs on high level. You sign up, turn on SaaS mode, and you can put your own brand on the entire platform. Your logo, your domain, your pricing. Then you build what's called a snapshot, which is a preloaded template with all the pipelines, automations, and AI already set up for your niche. That snapshot is your product. Build it once, and every new customer gets a copy instantly. And the AI tools are what make this so much easier in 2026. High Level has AI employees built in, voice AI that answers calls, conversation AI that responds to leads, and Ask AI that can build content and campaigns for you. So when you sell your software, you're not just selling a CRM, you're selling an AI employee for that niche, just like Nova Echo does. Step 3, price it monthly. Almost every winner on that list charges monthly, somewhere between $97 and $500. Recurring revenue is the entire game here. 50 customers paying $200 a month is $10,000 a month that shows up whether you work that day or not. And your software cost stays flat no matter how many customers you add. So almost all of that growth is profit. And step 4, get your first customer from people who already trust you. You don't need ads to start. Message the people you know in your niche or partner with someone who has the audience you want. There are micro influencers in every industry with 10,000 or 20,000 followers and no product to sell. You build the software, they bring the audience, and you split the revenue. That's one of the fastest ways I've seen people get their first 20 customers. That's the whole playbook. Pick a niche you know, brand the platform, build one great snapshot, charge monthly, and start with the people already around you. So here's what I want you to do today. Go to the High Level Awards page, scroll through the winners, and pick a few businesses in a niche you understand. Then give Ask AI the same 2 prompts I showed you. Reverse engineer their success, then find out how they get their customers. In 10 minutes, you'll see exactly how $1 million software business is built, and then you'll realize there's nothing stopping you from building one too. Now, coming up next, I have a brand new Go High Level tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.